Hello students, today I am going to explain the chapter 2, that is polynomials. I have already solved all the problems of exercise and posted in WhatsApp. So now I am going to explain the chapter overall, the theories and some topics. So first of all, what is polynomials? Polynomials are the algebraic expression. It has more than one variable. So the polynomial has two things, that is variable and coefficients, and the algebraic operations between the polynomials in such way, between the terms, that addition, subtraction, multiplications. Like 2x square minus 3x plus 5, this is a polynomial where x is the variable and 5 is the constant term, 2 and minus 3 are the coefficients. A polynomial is denoted by function of x. If there is more than one variable like x, y, then it will be called the binomial with two variables and it will be denoted as function of x, y. The largest exponent of the term is 3 in this polynomial, that is 2x cube plus 5x square minus x by 3 minus 8. So the highest exponent will be the degree of the polynomial. If there will be x to the power 4, then 4 will be the degree of polynomial, and the number, the constant number with their symbol when attached with the variable, then the constant term is called the coefficient. In 2x cube plus 5x square minus x by 3 minus 8, so here 2 is the coefficient of x cube, 5 is the coefficient of x square, minus 1 by 3 is the coefficient of x. So what is the zero of polynomial? Zero of a polynomial means, let p of x is a0 x to the power 1, a1 x to the power n minus 1, a2 x to the power n minus 2 up to a to the power n. This will be a polynomial of degree n. Now alpha is said to be a zero of the polynomial p of x if and only if p of alpha equals to 0. That means polynomial alpha is 0. So here a theorem are there. The first theorem, a linear polynomial contains one and only one zero. Let's take a polynomial, linear polynomial 2x plus 3, means the power of x is 1. So solving 2x plus 3 equals to 0, we get x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Fine. So the polynomial is minus 3 by 2. The root of the polynomial is minus 3 by 2. Similarly, the remainder theorem. If a non-zero polynomial function of x is divided by x minus c, then the remainder will be function of c. I have already explained the solutions. You can get that in the apps. Here is the exercise. I have already done this. Okay. So these are the overall theory. Please go through it. Please follow my video and please try to solve at home and follow whatever I have solved the exercise. I think you will get the answers. Thank you.